if you are also someone like me who feels like achieving that glass skin is such a dream because you don't know what to do, what not to do. So hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. So I am gonna experiment 7 habits guys which are Chinese backed, and I will tell you guys the result after a month and we'll see if it really works or not. So the very first habit is guys, in Chinese tradition it is said that having good digestion will eventually helps you in achieving that skin. So instead of having tea or coffee the very first thing in the morning, try to have warm water, which will help you in boosting metabolism and which will improve your digestion. So yeah, the very first habit is guys, try to have warm water the very first thing in the morning. So let's move on to the second habit. So the second habit is guys, instead of having your regular tea or coffee, try to have herbal tea like goji berry tea, which will help you in increasing elasticity and brightening, and green tea, which will help you in detox and anti-aging. Yeah, so let's move on to try to focus on your inner balance like yin and yang. So yeah, in Chinese tradition it is said that it is very important that you balance your yin and yang energy. So when we consume too much oily and fried food, then it increase internal heat and which eventually leads to the breakouts of acne and redness. So try to balance with cooling food like kheera or fruits or leafy vegetables, so that it balances yin and yang energy in our body and which will eventually stop that breakouts. Okay guys, so let's move on to the fourth habit, and the fourth one is that facial massage. Yes guys, so in Chinese beauty secret it is said that कि अगर आप अपनी फेस को रेगुलरली मसाज करते हो then it boosts blood circulation and which eventually helps in reducing puffiness and gives that natural glow, and obviously it also helps in absorbing skincare in a much better way. Next step, or the fifth step, is layering light skincare. So what does this mean? Instead of applying heavy creams, I will stick to these 4 things in my daily skincare routine: toner, essence, then serum, moisturize. The next or the sixth habit is guys, very important to protect our skin from sun and pollution. So for this, use hat, umbrella, and it's very important to apply SPF daily. So this habit will help you in avoid tanning and will give you that even tone. And last but not the least, here comes the 7th habit guys, which is, and the very important habit guys, that sleep early before 11 PM. So ऐसा कहा जाता है in Chinese tradition, skin repair is directly linked with body organ timing. So if you sleep early, then it helps you in brightening your skin. And so that's it from my side guys, and glow हमारे अंदर से आती है and a skin care only enhances it. So it's very important that you have a healthy lifestyle, and then only a skin care will help you. So yeah, that's it for today guys. So thank you for watching, and I will update you guys after a month, and let's see if it really works or not, so that you can also try. So have a nice day guys. Bye bye.